Hey, wanna shoot cool transitions? Using only your phone? Just pull out your phone, open up the camera, hit record, frame yourself, take a spin like a ballerina, and while spinning, hit pause. Find your new location, remember to hit record while spinning, and you have your new transition. Learn more skills like this with Vest, a 10-day hands-on course designed to master mobile shorts. From basic setup to advanced post-production, you'll nail phone optimization, essential gear, storyboarding, clear audio, dynamic shooting, pro editing with Vest. Come meet this month's guest speaker and enroll at vest.co.za.